So I just finished rinsing out the deep conditioner, and I have this new microfiber towel. It's called the Turby Twist. And I look like Static Shock right now. Aww. Those are my twists. Oh my god. I'm so not used to the short hair thing right now. Or the shrinkage. It's not really that short. I think my head is too big for this thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and do, or try to do, what they call a Twaid out, where you braid the roots of your hair and then do a twist at the bottom. So you're braiding and then you turn it into a twist. And I'm hoping that that will help elongate my hair, because shrinkage is real. Let me show y'all, if y'all haven't seen my big chop video. Let me show y'all how long my hair. I will forever laugh at that, but my hair, it goes down to my neck. But it springs up to be this short. Okay, so I think I'm going to start in the back. Now, I'm very anxious, but also nervous to see how this is going to turn out, since this is going to be my first style as a full natural person. So I'm just going to go ahead with the Mael rice water as my leave-in for the L and LCO, because I don't have the Canvas Beauty leave-in yet. They didn't send that to me. Just apply a generous amount. And I'm going to use the comb first because the teeth are wider. And then I'm going to go in behind with my Tangle Teaser. Ooh! I've been waiting for this day where I could just like comb right through my hair. Oh my god. That feels so good. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Canvas Beauty Bloom Glaze. And just going to apply a little bit of that onto my hair. I'm also going to go back in with the Tangle Teaser so I can make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout the hair. Y'all can't tell me nothing. My hair is just gliding. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to try to use the Wet Line Extreme, or this one is not even called Wet Line, it's just called Extreme. And this will be my very first time using it to hopefully hold the style in. This thing is so huge. Woo! And so this is my very first time using it. It's still at the brim. And it doesn't smell that great. This is how gel's supposed to smell. And I'm going to use some gel. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how much gel I'm supposed to use, how much my hair needs. So I'm just, this is trial and, oh, look at these curls. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Okay. I'm going to start with the braid. And I'm going to make sure I can get my comb through one more time. I don't know how small these things are supposed to be, but I'm going to do it like so. And so I'm just going to braid a few times, and then I'm going to put 2 of the braids together and just twist it. And when I get to the very end, I don't know if this is just me, but my hair is like very thick and puffy, I don't know, at the end. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like thicker than all the other parts of my hair. And then I'll just let the curl or the twist spring up like it does. And just continue that on the next one. Yes! This is already so much easier than a freaking anything with transitioning hair. Oh, these are so pretty! I'm so excited, guys. I am so excited. So one thing I need help with, guys, if you know the answer to this question. So I know when you do your LCO method, this is going to be my L, leave-in. And then this is going to be my C, the cream, this is my styling product. And then the O would be my oil here. But since I'm using a gel, do I still do the oil before the gel? Or do I use the oil? Because I normally, when I take out my braid outs or whatever, I use oil to help me take it out. But do I do the oil before or after the gel is when because gel, I'm sure gel locks in something. I don't know. But that's just a question for you guys, because I'm not quite sure. Sometimes I do put the gel on, the oil on before the gel. And sometimes I just wait until I remove style to put the oil on. This time I'm going to put the oil on first. Y'all, let me take a second to appreciate these twists. Can y'all, can we take a second? Can y'all see that? I need to get closer. I don't even know if they're in the shot, if they're clear. Yes! Yes! Guys, not even doing a wash and go, but look at this. You can't even see it. Oh my god! These curls. They're defined, y'all. They're so short though. Y'all, this is a whole new world to me. I'm gonna be getting excited every day. Okay, so I'm halfway done, but see, like I have a very long piece of relaxed hair right here. I'll go ahead and cut that because it's like very obvious, but that's a good 1 inch, at least 1 inch. So like other places where it's not that long, like here, I'll keep it and I'll have someone else do it for me like that. That's kind of long, but it's not as long as the other piece was. So I just finished twisting my hair and I went in and applied this to my scalp. So now I'm just, you know, massaging it in. So it is 2 days later. Today is Saturday, and I'm going to go ahead and take these twists out. And I'm a little anxious to be doing this for the first time because I don't know what it's going to look like. So I have my Canvas Beauty Argan Oil, and I'm going to use this to help me in taking my twist out. So let's see how it goes. Just gonna pour some of this into my hands and then just rub it in my hands and kind of put it on my twists. And they are very, very soft right now. So let's go ahead and do the first one in the front and see how it turns out. So I'm just going to take a spot and just let it unravel naturally. And I forgot, I do have a braid out at the top, so once the twist has unraveled fully, you do have to kind of be careful in separating the braid, because I like my looks defined, a little bit more defined, so gotta be a little careful for that. And the oil is supposed to help reduce the frizziness. So this is my very first one. Let's see, it is very defined. I like it. Now, I don't know if you can see the braid out part at the top, but I do like the twist. Very pretty. But you see how this one, it kind of got messed up when I was sleeping, so I tried to pull the twist down and put my scarf on so that they don't do this, but it still did it anyway. I guess I could have corrected it by adding water on it last night while I was asleep to help it to stay flat, but it should look fine after I take down the other rows. So it'll just be laying on top of it anyway. So this is the final look, and I absolutely love the outcome. I'm very happy with this. It is so defined. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks defined to me. And I'm the type of girl who prefers definition over volume. So I do have a pick here, and it's a Cantu pick. And I'm not going to use it because I do prefer definition. So I love that the twist out is very defined. You can see that right there. So, and I feel like also volume comes naturally in a few days after just wearing the style for a little bit. So I'll let it just come naturally, and it's also my very first time, so I don't know what to expect. So I'm just gonna let it go with the flow. My hair is just going with the flow. So yeah, I really like the results. So there's nothing more I could have asked for. This is my very first time. I think I did a decent job. I just don't like right here that looks like there's something missing here, and I think it's just because my hair is shorter maybe right here, or maybe I do need to pick it out right here to make it look a little bit fuller so that it can match this side. Let me know in the comments down below if I'm trying to look for something that is more elongating, because y'all know my hair, look at how long this is. But the shrinkage, I've been saying this in every video since the very beginning. Shrinkage is real, and I want something that can help elongate my curls. So if you guys have a suggestion for that, if it's products, if it's a different technique, or some way I can switch up the technique that I was using, let me know in the comments down below. I would greatly appreciate that. But anyways, I'm very happy with my results, as I said before, and I'm also very excited about this journey that I'm on. And I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me and following me on my journey. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you are interested in continuing to follow me on my journey, don't forget to click the subscribe button right down there and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next one, bye.